My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. Once you serve your ex with papers, what can you expect to happen? Well, it's a very good question because you've got a couple of things that are going to go on. And in divorce cases, they typically work where there's a flurry of activity and then sometimes a lull. And then it ramps back up again with another flurry of activity. Obviously, if your ex, soon to be, knows that the divorce papers are coming because he sat down and he said, look, not working out, I'm going to finalize this legally, you're going to get some papers in the mail. So your attorney will tell you that from the time that the person gets served, they have a certain amount of days during which they can react to the papers, they can do nothing, they can hire a lawyer to react to the papers, etc., etc. So they're going to have a minimum of 21 days to do something about that complaint for divorce in the way of an answer or a counterclaim. So it's possible that during that time, not a whole lot's going to go on. They were served, they're going to consult with their lawyer, they got to find a lawyer, they got to do that, it all takes time. And then answer will be filed, perhaps even a counterclaim, and then your lawyer is going to have some work to do, and then the activity ramps up on your end. So that's typically what happens. Now, what if it's a scenario where the other side wasn't expecting it? What can you expect to happen then? Well, we always tell our clients, look, sometimes the relationship isn't such that a heads up is a good idea. Some people will tell me I would tell my spouse that I'm serving them papers, but either they'll evade service or they'll start carrying on and throwing things at me and things in the house and being destructive and abusive and assaultive. And we tell them if that's the case, don't do it. Don't give them the heads up. Go visit your mother in Fresno for a few days. Well, then we'll serve the person and let things die down. And maybe that's the best way to do it. So in a scenario, what can you expect after you serve them? Well, if you know that there's things that are going to go on that are not good, you need to tell your lawyer, look, there's going to be drama after this person is served. What's the best way for me to deal with it? And your lawyer may tell you, take an inventory of things in the house beforehand so you can prove everything was in good order, nothing broken. Your lawyer may tell you, I think it would be advisable for you to take the kids and maybe go visit grandpa for a couple days, let things cool down. So these are things that the lawyer may tell you, all part of what you might expect once the other party served. As you can see, it's going to depend a lot on the relationship and the personalities of the parties. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.